friends, I'm back with my channel Knowledgeable Strategies. Today I'm going to speak on the topic different investment instruments. In this video I have taken 5 different investment instruments. Nowadays people are investing their income to get the better returns, or you can say to secure their future. So I have made this video so you all would understand which investment instrument is beneficial, or I can say which can give you better returns. Do watch the entire video to get the idea, like nowadays how many investment instruments are going. So now we'll start with investment instrument. In this I have just shown the 5 different investment instruments and a bit explanation about it. I'll be making more detailed videos for each of the 5 different instruments. So we'll start with it. NPS, first investment is National Pension Scheme. National Pension Scheme, it is a social security initiative by central government. Like, you have to invest some amount in NPS at regular intervals, and you will get the benefit after your retirement. This will benefit you during your post retirement. So regular intervals during the course of your employment. When you're working, you need to invest in a pension account like NPS account, and when you retire, after retirement, you will get a certain percentage of the corpus after retirement during a post retirement. So this is NPS, and it is beneficial to both public, private, even unorganized sectors. Those except armed forces, this pension is for everyone, public, private, unorganized sector, everyone. You all can invest in NPS. Second is PPF account, Public Provident Fund account. This is the retirement savings scheme offered by Government of India with the aim of providing a secure post-retirement life to everyone. Again, this is beneficial for the retirement, like retirement savings scheme. It will be beneficial for the people after retirement. It is offered by Government of India, and in this you need to deposit rupees 500 to max you can deposit till 1 lakh 50. More in detail about each of this topic, I'll be making a particular video for each topic, so you all will be getting more detailed idea about which investment scheme you all can invest. So this is PPF. Real estate investment. As you all know, this is the traditional scheme because real estate, everyone know how to invest it in a property, like purchase the property as an investment and generate income out of it. So real estate investment is the third type of investment. In simple terms, you all can understand like investing either land, building, infrastructure, other tangible property which is usually immovable but transferable. So like real estate investment, again not using for your personal use like as a residence, you should use for the purchase of an investment like property investment as to generate income out of it. Fourth is mutual funds. Nowadays, mutual fund people are also investing in mutual funds. Mutual fund is a company that brings together the money of the people, and they invest in stocks, bonds, or other assets. Like one, every people invest together, and then they are being invested in bonds, stocks, assets. Like it is a type of financial vehicle where we pull the money from people, collect it, like every investor's money have been collected and invested in stocks, bonds, money market instrument, other assets, etc. So your like whatever the money is there, so it has been diversified into different like stocks, bonds, and everything. So this is the mutual fund. You can even invest in it. market investments. I have already made the video on this particular topic as share market or stock market. I'll be providing the link in the description. Stock market is where the people can buy and sell their shares through stock exchange or over the counter. Like refers to public market where you can that exists for issuing, buying and selling of shares through exchanges or through OTC. And if you buy or sell any shares of a particular company, then you get the ownership in that company, and it is also known as equities. For detailed video, already it is made on this topic. You can check with it. I'll be providing the link. This is all about 5 investments, and that is it. So this is it, the 5 different investment instruments. I have already made one detailed video about the share markets. Will be sharing the link in description. Other 4 topic I'll be making the detailed video soon. So this is it. This video I have made for the education purpose, and my all video are for the education purpose. As I have knowledge, I want to share with y'all. But based on my video, do not take any judgments or any view for investing in any instruments or anything. You all can take the advice from your financial advisor and then accordingly invest in any of your instruments. Don't make any judgments after watching this video, like the investment instrument is good or this. All you take the advice is from your financial advisor or make your judgments and invest it. So this is it. If you all find this video helpful, do press the like button. Do comment if you all have any queries and how you all find these videos. Do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button, and even do share my videos. And if you all really find this video helpful, then press the like button so I'll be motivated and make many more videos and share my knowledge with you all. That's it. Thank you.